All right, hey everybody, this is Colton Brooks and Mario Martinez today. We are with Apex Roofing and we are doing a residential coating project on an aluminum pergola. Mario, do you want to tell us more about what products we're using?
We're using a silicone repair mastic to fill up all the joints and any big gaps we see in the roof, any penetrations, all the screws, anything that went through it that might have any movement, because it's a lot more flexible and it's fibered, so there's a lot more strength to it.
And what was the problem? What was the problem the customer was having?
These aluminum pergolas, they expand and contract a lot with the heat cycles. They're just sealed, so a lot of times the silicone in Texas heat only lasts about 5 years. A lot of the joints end up separating and opening up, and you get water intrusion from the joints.
Okay. And the coating material we're using, both of them, you said, that's commercial grade, correct? So how long is that going to last?
The minimum 10 years, and if at the 10-year mark, you could always recoat it and give it another 10 years.
And then you just keep recoating it.
Yeah.
It goes on indefinitely.
As long as the roof surface is still in good condition, you could coat it.
Okay, excellent. And so Mario, I got another question. And so why would you coat? Like, what's the benefit, right? Like, I guess the other option is just tear it all down and redo it, or maybe use some stuff from Home Depot. What's the difference that we're doing? Why would you coat it the way we are?
A lot would be due to cost and time. If you're replacing the whole unit in pergola, you're looking at $5,000 to $7,000 on just material for the replacement plus labor. So that could get pretty expensive. Coating alternatives that you have at Home Depot are acrylic. Acrylic in the sunlight is probably not gonna last more than 5 years, and with the expanding and contracting of what these do, the acrylic is prone to cracking.
And so that's a cool piece. Like, it sounds like this is gonna last longer. It's gonna save the customer a ton of money.
Yeah, and then if you do have to end up doing it again, recoating it is just as easy as the first time.
Awesome. And then this is a seam that we have sealed up right now on one of the products. And so you can see we've gone over all the joint area to be able to enclose all of that. So no water getting through there.
This is like a previous repair, so aluminum tape's still intact. You wouldn't have to go over with a fibered mastic. This is still a good seam. The other seams, the tape has failed, so rip the tape off, and then whatever sealant they use or acrylic bonding that they used before is opened up. We've gone in with the fiber mastic to get that into one single joint. Anything that's lifting up, like that corner and stuff like that, we want to cut to as close as we can, or come over with fiber mastic.
For everybody out there, if you do have any kind of patio roof like this, or metal, mod bit porch, anything like that, we'd always be happy to come check it out, see if it needs a repair. We can get away with a coating like this, and you get 10 years out of it minimum. And we always offer free inspections and free estimates.